Remove the new scooter from the packaging and pull open the quick-release clamp on the main standpipe. Pull the vertical tube out of the main standpipe to an appropriate. Length and secure it by tightening the quick-release clamp. Use the provided Allen wrench to remove the sunflower pattern screw on the vertical tube. Attach the handlebar to the vertical tube and tighten the sunflower pattern screw. Push down on the folding handle with one hand while pulling up the main standpipe tube with the other hand. Step on the tail wing with one foot, grip both ends of the handlebar with both hands, and push the handlebar forward, forcefully until the locking pin fully enters in the slot. Push down on the safety latch to secure the folding handle. Open the quick-release clamp ring firstly, adjust the vertical tube to the appropriate height, and then secure the quick-release clamp ring. Adjust the handlebar to the correct position and use an Allen wrench to tighten the 4 screws on the left and right sides of the double pass stem. Adjust the display to a suitable viewing angle, then tighten the display's fixing screws. Check the power connection is functioning correctly after completing the assembly of the new scooter. Lighting system. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Horn. Gear shift. Single/dual drive switch. Brake lever. 1 single drive gear. 2 single drive gear. 3 single drive gear. 1 dual drive gear. 2 dual drive gear. 3 dual drive gear. Folding steps.